Shark seating. This is maybe not for the Olympians, but for those of us who like maybe a little bit more comfort while we're sailing?
There's a question of comfort, but there's also a question of safety. If you've ever heard of the terminology wave shock, bit of a clever play on shock wave, when you're travelling over the water, your boat's rising and then crashing down onto the waves, and there's a really hefty amount of impact going on. Back in 2001, the Navy actually did a study and tried to get an idea in terms of how dangerous this was. Of 154 participants, 140 injuries came back based on this landing and crashing. You've got injuries to your spine, your lower back, chronic pain in various limbs, even people developing arthritis. It's actually quite a serious concern. So what Shark Seating, and we're moving up the country now up to Christchurch, Shark Seating have developed a very clever suspension-based technology so that the seat is able to absorb a significant amount of the impact every time you land. And it's actually doing so well. We're looking at about 10 times the amount of time you can spend in the seat.
That's brilliant.